Welcome to Natural Healthcare and Wellness. In this video, we will discuss if drinking more water can stop diabetes and stay healthy. Diabetes is a serious health condition, and it's becoming more prevalent in society. People can't afford to ignore it because poorly managed diabetes can lead to serious health complications that are hard to address. Water is necessary for your body to function well and stay healthy, but with all the work and commitments we have, often the easiest and laziest thing we can do is drink less water. The human body needs water to function properly, and without it, we start feeling dizzy, unfocused, and crampy. Drinking more water is beneficial for many aspects of your health. Let's take a look at some of the benefits. 1. Drinking plenty of water can help you stay healthy. What is the connection between water and health? Water is essential to life. It makes up to 60% of your weight and is necessary for your body to function properly. Drinking plenty of water can help promote a healthy heart, stimulate digestion, maintain healthy skin, regulate body temperature, and even boost your mood. 2. Drinking more water can help you lose weight. Drinking water is an underrated strategy to lose weight. Water helps you stay hydrated, which in turn maintains your weight loss goals. It also boosts your energy levels and prevents you from overeating, because it takes longer to feel hungry again. 3. How does hydration affect diabetes? With diabetes, the body has a hard time controlling blood sugar levels and producing insulin. Water can help with this. The human body is made up of 60% water and needs daily hydration to function properly. Not only does it regulate our temperature, but also helps our kidneys to function well by eliminating toxins from the body, reduces muscle cramps and headaches, maintains a healthy weight by boosting metabolism, and increases mental alertness. Water is essential for us in many ways, but especially when it comes to diabetes. It helps the body maintain its blood sugar levels at a steady state, which reduces complications that diabetes patients might face when they don't drink enough fluids. Follow these 5 simple steps to start drinking more water today. 1. Drink a glass of water before every meal and snack. 2. Refill your water throughout the day, especially if working out. 3. Practice mindful eating to avoid overeating or unhealthy snacking. 4. Keep a bottle of water at your desk and sip it throughout the workday. 5. Schedule time on your calendar for taking breaks both long and short. There you go, we now know how important water is to our body and how water can make us healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and you might also like our suggested video titled 5 Natural Weight Loss with These Easy to Make Drinks. That's all for now. From us, Natural Healthcare and Wellness. Goodbye and see you in the next video.